Open work permit for sponsored spouse with inland sponsorship. For the last few years, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, has been extending the program, allowing sponsored spouses to apply for open work permits. The program was originally announced in December 2014, as we explained in a previous version of this article. In a previous version of this article, we reported that we were unable to confirm that the program was extended and suspected it had been made permanent. Well, now we think we have good news. To the best of our knowledge, the program has been extended indefinitely. So, spouses sponsored inland will continue to be able to apply for open work permits at the time of their sponsorship application for the foreseeable future. As the holder of an open work permit, you may work for any Canadian employer without a confirmed offer of employment. That's a wonderfully flexible permit as you seek Canadian job experience to reinforce your application for permanent residence. Community Forum. Got a question about the complicated application process? Chances are good someone's already answered it. Check out our community forum on immigroup.com. There you'll find practical support and a network of helpful like-minded people. Who is eligible? To qualify for an open work permit, you must be the spouse or common law partner of a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. You must be currently living in Canada at the same address as your spouse or common law partner. That means you have been sponsored under the Spouse or Common Law Partner in Canada, SCLPC class. You must have a valid temporary resident status as one of the following: visitor, student, temporary worker. As this is a measure to help you work while you await your permanent resident status, you will be in the process of one of the following: applying for a permanent resident but have not yet applied for an open work permit, or you will already have been approved in principle but have not yet passed the medical, security and background checks for yourself and family members, or you're about to apply under the SCLPC class. If you have applied for PR status but have not applied for an open work permit, go to IRCC's website to download and fill out your work permit application, Form IMM 5710. Application to change conditions, extend my stay, or remain in Canada as a worker is best filled out online using Adobe Reader 10. Ensure your JavaScript is turned on your computer. Make sure your fees are paid. Mail the completed form to CPC Vegreville, WP Unit 777, 6212, 55th Avenue, Vegreville AB T9C 1X6. If you have been approved in principle but still have not passed your medical, security and background checks, then you should apply for an open work permit online. If you're part of the pilot program and already have an open work permit, you must apply for an extension before your current open work permit expires. Go to IRCC's website for more information. If you're just applying under the SCLPC class, then you should submit 3 applications at the same time: a work permit application for your open work permit, a sponsorship application with your spouse or common law partner, an application for permanent residence under the SCLPC class. You should mail your package to the following address: In Canada Sponsorship, CPC, Mississauga, P.O. Box 5040, Station B, Mississauga, Ontario, L5A 3A4. By courier, you should mail your package to Case Processing Centre, Mississauga, 2 Robert Speck Parkway, Suite 300, Mississauga, Ontario, L4Z 1H8. Sponsorship Review. Immigroup will review your completed spousal sponsorship application. Immigroup will make sure you have not made any mistakes on your application or in gathering the documentation of your relationship. We will access your sponsorship letter and give you peace of mind that you're submitting an application with a very good chance of success. Don't lose sleep at night, worrying about whether you've done enough. Email us info@imagroup.com or give us a call at 1866 760 2623.